What's up, YouTube? It's your boy O'Neal back with another banger. I'm on my way to work, late night, you know. Give y'all a little POV. Yeah, straight drive. It's raining out. We just got the exhaust done. We did the resonator, muffler delete, just like the black one, but for some reason this one sounds different. To me, it sounds better. But this is gonna be raw. I'm not gonna really do too many cuts. This is a pure raw video, just driving. And then car warm up a little bit. It's been already sitting for like 5 minutes warming up, but I'm gonna warm up a little bit more before we hit the road. But yeah, I hope y'all been enjoying the content. Hope y'all, you know, enjoying everything. But the next video is gonna be, you know, I just want to get a little quick video in for y'all since y'all been enjoying the content so much. So we're gonna cut into me driving. Yeah. Still waiting for the car to get into a little bit more into the operating temperatures. The car was still in 10 minutes warming up, but when the car warm up, I give y'all like 1 or 2 pulls on my way to work. But I'll give you a little nighttime POV. We're about to be upgrading the camera soon. Tomorrow after work, me and Jaws about to go to Best Buy and look into GoPros and stuff like that, so y'all can get better content. Even though this is clear already, but just to get even better 4K 120, I think it was like 4K 120 FPS or something like that. Something crazy. Even though y'all can't even watch that on phones and stuff, but it doesn't hurt to have. Put the window, even though it's raining, give y'all a better sound. Something this car is doing that the black one never did. When I did the muffler and the resonator delete on the black one, it burbled later on before I got rid of it. But like early on after doing it, it never burbled or like popped. Like when I did this, it popped the first second. The moment it turned on, it popped. And I don't know, it was like the LCIs. Let me know down below in the comments, like the LCIs is a different type of like tuning from factory with like burbles and stuff. I know the newer BMWs, they pop more for like 16 plus, and I guess because this is a 16, it's burbling. But I don't know, it's news to me, because I didn't know that, to be honest with you guys. I really didn't. What are we doing? Traffic. But this car burbles a lot. But the downpipe should be going on soon in the tune. So hopefully we'll be sitting at like 400 crank, like 425 crank, and probably like 350 wheel, I think is estimated, if I'm lucky. But that's for just the downpipe. Ooh, it's water. I'm doing the intake and everything else in a cooler and everything I got to do. I want to put it on E, but this is the daily, so I don't know. I'm still doing my research on these N55s, even though this is my second N55 car, but still want to do my research and my due diligence before I just start throwing power at this car and it can't handle it reliably. Because the black one I put 10,000 miles in like 7 months. It was like the most reliable car I ever owned. And I own a Honda, and to me that was more reliable than the Honda. And I don't know why people say BMWs are so unreliable. I never had a major issue on these newer BMWs. The E46, on the other hand, of course, because I got it from a guy that didn't know what he was doing with it. But these newer BMWs, I am not gonna lie, I had nothing but good things about it. not too much because it's raining out. You know, I don't want to do too much, but burbling them. Ooh. I don't know if y'all can really hear the burbles. I know when, like, once I do the downpipe, it's really going to open up the car like no tomorrow. And that's going to be, like, scary. I already know that's going to be terrifying. I'm excited, but when I do that, I just know I got to be safe and, like, cautious with this because... Oh, and today I did a little bit of practice on the bike, on the Ninja. I'll put a clip up somewhere on the screen. But I did a little bit of practicing. I'm getting used to riding and everything. It's not that bad, but I already know when I get on the road, it's going to be a different story. But I'm not gonna lie, the car is quieter than the black one. And I wasn't expecting it. I honestly thought it'd be... Whoa, it's a red light, bud. Oh, nope. Damn, it's a red light. Where are we rushing to? There's a tunnel coming up, one of the major tunnels in this town that people do pulls under. So there's a local pool underneath that tunnel. Hopefully it sounds good. I'm about to sacrifice getting wet. It's a scat. So he's wilding. It's raining out. It's a little tunnel, you feel me? I'm sacrificing getting wet for y'all. Pause. But yeah. Hope y'all had a wonderful, when y'all see this, wonderful weekend. I think, I don't know. It's really coming down today. Oh, Jesus Christ. Jesus. That sounded good. That sounded amazing. I love the little tunnels that we have in this town. Little over underpasses. So we can have a little bit of fun. I think that's one of like 2 or 3 we have in town. But I'm almost at work. It's a quick little drive, a little POV drive for y'all, give y'all a little bit of content. Something new, late night. Plus we just straight pipe, basically, we're about to basically straight pipe the car, so. Yeah. So, I'm trying to think of what else, any other updates for you guys. before I go and lock in for, I don't know how long I'm gonna be working today, but you know, I gotta make the bread to work on this car. Ain't nothing else really. I know there's a car meet in the next couple of weeks. I want to put the springs on, but there's really nothing else for real. So I think I'm gonna cut the video here. I hope y'all have a good day, night, evening, weekend, whenever y'all watch this video. Hope y'all just have a good day. Send my blessings and love to y'all. I appreciate all the love that I've been receiving from you guys on these videos. Yeah. O'Neal out. Peace.